Okay, today I want to look at square numbers. What are square numbers and, well, why are they called square numbers? Okay, so the first thing is square numbers. Square numbers are any time the factors are the same. So the factor times factor equals product. So anytime the two factors are the exact same. For instance, 4 times the exact same. 4 times 4 equals 16. So we would say 16 is a square number. Okay? We can do this with anything. 1 times 1, the square number is 1. 2 times 2, the square number equals 4. Any number times itself works just like that. 19 times 19, 361. Okay, 361 is a square number. 7 times 7, 49 is a square number. Anytime we have two factors that are the same number multiplied together. Okay, and I just want to show you why this is a square number. Okay, I have my beautiful dots of math here ready for us to show us square numbers. And I never make mistakes when I'm drawing. And everything is perfectly lined up, just so you know, in case you look at that. Oh, but some of them might be off. Everything is perfect. Okay, so a square number. Let's pick 4 times 4. In a regular array, when we are building arrays, we look at multiplication as little squares, like on a grid line. So we start with, this is 0, so we go to 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're filling 4 squares there. So we go across 4, and then down 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then everything within that range, from here to here, all the way from here over, and here over, and here down. Okay, everything within that belongs to that array. On square numbers, when you go over 4 and down 4, you create a perfect square. Sometimes when we don't have perfect squares, you know, say 1 times 3. Okay? So this is a 4 by 4 array, which equals a square. And inside of that, you have 16 squares. I'll just start doing it. Okay? And you have 16 little squares inside. Okay, because 4 times 4 is 16. If we had a 1 by 3, okay, 1 times 1, 2, 3, and then you would fill in that array all the way from here down to here and over to that next one. Okay, so 1 times 3, and you notice it makes a rectangle. Square numbers make squares. Others make rectangles. So that's why they are called square numbers. Once again, anytime the two factors are the exact same number, you would create a square, hence square numbers. Oh, before I forget, it is often shown as not 4 times 4, but 4, and then they superscript that all the way up to the top of the number, and they have a 4 with a little 2. Okay, 4 squared. It's not 4, 2. No, that's 42. It's not 4 times 2. No, that's 8. It's 4, and then the 2 is raised because we are raising it to the power of 2. Okay? That's just saying that we're doing this 2 times. So it's raised up above, and that signifies 4 squared. That's how we would read that, 4 squared. And we know that 4 squared is simply drawing a square, or 4 times 4, to remember that. Okay. Square numbers.